pilot from the Indian Air Force. And taking the baton forward from what you spoke, the kind of business we are in is not only into conservation of the environment, but also bridge the change management in the way we see mobility. I am the Chief Executive Officer of Evolet. Evolet is a new brand of electric scooters and motorcycles, and we have taken the step forward in bringing this concept, and we are one of the change makers. And I realize that everyone sitting out here is in one way or the other a partner and a doer in this change management. Why I did want to mention this at the first place is because we are a startup in every meaning of the word that is. And in 2 to 3 years of time, with a very small team, a handful of team, we have been able to reach wherever the automotive companies have taken 10 or 15 years to reach. And that is the way of conceiving an idea, dreaming, conceiving an idea, believing in it, and doing it. We've been able to put that together just because we believe that it is possible and it is doable. So whatever we saw as the electric scooters could be maybe 1.5 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees or 2.5, we brought that down to 50,000 rupees to start from. So it is affordable, it is electric, and it is environment friendly. And this is that next gen which is going to see the change transform on the roads now, and you are the doers. We've conceptualized it, we put that into action, and you all are going to be the users. And everyone knows the benefits of stopping the air pollution and the noise pollution on the roads. I'm sure you all know it better than we do. We are just producing it, you are the ones who are going to be taking it forward. And that is why the idea to participate with the team Think Startup and the Entrepreneurship School with friends, the way we built this forward. And we said, all right, let us get the idea from this generation, and we will try to kick that into action. And if there is an idea which can be taken into commercial roles, we will handhold the idea and execute it along with you. So, Dakshani, as the award has gone to her, we will also try to take this award now to 10 steps further. In a way we can. So we may not have the entire ability that is possible in the world, but with whatever little ability that we have, we will take her forward with our network. Closest to her place is going to be our terrain in Gorakhpur and Sitapur.
Dakshani, I am going to give you a heartbreak. And this is for everyone. You are not going to get 25,000 rupees. Wow. Just remember. Alright? She is not going to get 25,000.
Not just 25,000. So that heartbreak, yes, not just that 25,000, but yes, I will call her to one of our most happening hub spots adjacent to her location at Gorakhpur and Siddharth Nagar at the next ceremony that we have in December. And we will present her the electric scooter, and she is going to be our brand ambassador.
Wow.
But no award comes without us. How it is bringing the change. How can... Oh yes. We are all going to be partners right there. So for them to be able to earn this award, they will be working at the manufacturing plant for 10 days. But yes. So this is where I think each of us are going to be the brand ambassadors to see what more can we do. Evolet is doing one little step. The next 10 steps will all have to be taken by all of us together. If I can say one more thing, Mr. George sir, which is beyond my rank pay. We were supposed to be joined together by the Director General National Cadet Corps. Why I'm saying this is the audacity and the courage to dream and do. I have learned it from my alma mater, which is the National Cadet Corps. And for any of you who have not been associated, Please do step out of the house. Be a part of it, even if it is for one day. Trust me, it will change the life of one of you. Mine changed only because of that association. And it will be my personal endeavor, and I will pick up all the top 11 and more if we can, maybe 5, 6 more, and bring them up on the Republic Day parade at the Prime Minister's Guard of Honor to present their idea, along with the Director General National Parade Board. I really wish the DG was not traveling today and he was a part of us today. And this is where I would want each of you to present your idea, hone it up, sharpen it, make sure it goddamn works. Make sure it works. You've got 2 months to go. Sharpen it up, make it look the brightest, because you will be presenting it to most of the glorified people. It will be my, I cannot say 100%, but 99.99, I can see that happen.
Excellent. So, participants.
Hasini, you will have a brilliant